What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube. Today we're learning how to play Never Let You Go by Slushii. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar and a bunch of other guitar related prizes, so stick around to the end of the video so you can figure out how to enter, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Alright guys, this song is in standard tuning, capo on the first fret. It's pretty simple. It's using 4 different chords. You're going A minor, G, C, and then F. If you need the diagrams for the chords, all the diagrams for all the major chords are in the free ebook that I have in the description. There's a link down there. Go check that out. It's free for everybody. The diagrams are in there. But again, it's A minor, G, C, F. Now most of the song is using a palm muting pattern. If you don't know what palm muting is, you're going to take the fleshy part of your hand right here and just lay it on the bridge of your guitar, right where the strings connect to the bridge. And it's going to give it this kind of punchy sound when you play it, when you mute the strings there. You don't want it to sound like that. You still want to be able to tell that there's a note being played, but you don't want it ringing open. You want it still be able to hear the chord, but it's slightly muted and it's got a little bit of a punch to it. And now you're palm muting all these chords the same exact way. You're just palm muting them in a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So again, I'll do that just a little slower for you guys. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So there is a little pre-chorus part where it sounds like the rhythm might change a little bit. There's no actual guitar in the song, so you can really play along with this however you want. You can palm mute it, you can strum it, make it your own, have fun with it. For this little pre-chorus part, like I said, it sounds like you could do some strumming there. You can strum through these chords the same exact way. A good strumming pattern to use would be a down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I'll show you what that looks like. Down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.